Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the best Guyanese cassava pone. And since we're in the week leading up to emancipation, I just want to take this opportunity to wish my African Guyanese brothers and sisters a happy emancipation to all of you in Guyana and around the world. All right, so today we'll be making this pone and it is ridiculously easy. Okay, this one was made just a little bit different because I added raisins. Now, if raisins is not your preference, you can always omit the raisins. Now, I'm using fresh coconut here. If you do not have fresh coconut, you can definitely use the store-bought coconut flakes. I do have a video using those, and I'll leave the link in the description box as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So I would have already peeled and washed my cassava or yuca. Then the center right there, the string, you are definitely going to remove that. Now, if you've never made pone before and you like to try this recipe, just do exactly what I'm doing here. You're going to cut that in half and remove the string. Now this right here, if it's not removed, the pone will be kind of, stringy and husky, and it doesn't taste really nice. So I will be using a food processor. Now if you do have your hand grater, you can definitely use that. So I'm going to be grating my coconut first, and I'll be doing lots of coconut because I am also doing conky. For those of you who know what conky is, I'll leave the link in the description box, or I will just go ahead and drop the video after. You're going to place that in a bowl and use the same food processor and grate the yuca as well. Now the ingredients along with the measurements will be in the description box. I did add a little bit more black pepper because I love that subtle heat in my pone, like that's a must. Some fresh grated ginger, a little bit more cinnamon and nutmeg. Alright, so I did went ahead and grease my Pyrex dish, and we are going to pour that in. Now while this is baking in a 350 degrees oven for the first 30 minutes, I will be preparing the sling. Now the sling consists of just sugar, water, but I did add some cinnamon and vanilla extract just to give it a little bit more flavor. But if you don't have that, you can definitely just use water and sugar. Now after the first 30 minutes, this is what it looks like, and you are going to brush the sling right over the top. If you don't have a brush, just scoop that baby right over there. All right, put it back in for an additional 25 to 30 minutes, and baby, look right here. This is absolutely amazing. The smell in this kitchen right now is divine. So I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Beautiful. Now we already know the ends of the pone is most of us we love the ends of the pone. It's our favorite part of the pone. But if it's not, you can let me know which part of the pone is your favorite part. Okay? So I let this cool for about 25 to 35 minutes before I remove it from the dish. I cut and served. And this is what it looks like. It was absolutely delicious. And I can't wait for you guys to try this. So please share this video with your family and friends so they can also enjoy this amazingly delicious, ridiculously easy to make Guyanese cassava pone. All right, you guys can tag me, let me know how yours turned out. Now be kind to yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I see y'all on the next video. Bye bye now.